As a decentralized technology, blockchain does not have a central authority organization holding it. Instead, it relies on a network of users who collectively validate and verify transactions on the blockchain through a consensus mechanism. In most of the blockchain networks, this consensus mechanism is achieved through a process called mining, where users complete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and earn rewards. In the form of cryptocurrency, the more miners participating in the network, the more secure and decentralized it becomes. While there is no central authority regulating the blockchain itself, there are various regulatory bodies around the world that oversees the use of blockchain and cryptocurrencies within their rules.